Ooh.
Gracias.
Hello.
If you're new here, we're Hayley and Jake, and we're road tripping Mexico in our van. In our last video, we crossed into Veracruz, one of Mexico's coffee growing regions. We've just left Cordoba and we're en route to Orizaba. Welcome to Orizaba. We had a short, windy drive through tropical mountains that had quite a few little villages that we passed through, and now we're in the Pueblo Mágico.
We are having lunch and coffee at the Grand Cafe Orizaba, which is set in Gustav Eiffel's Iron Palace.
The famous designer of the Eiffel Tower also designed this beautiful building entirely out of metal. Piece by piece, it was shipped from Europe, then reassembled here in Orizaba. So we got our food and Jake's cup's looking a little empty. Oh, here he comes.
Ooh.
¿Más café? Sí.
He's asking if you want more.
That's perfecto. Gracias.
Mmm.
Muchas gracias.
Ooh. How is it?
Starting to get towards the end of the day, so we're gonna head back to the van, grab some tacos, and find a spot to park up for the night.
Oh, we got food! On our way back to the van, we stopped by a taco shop which sells taco arabe, and we've never tried this before, but it looks like the
El Pastor Spitz.
El Pastor. And they gave us little baggies of sauce. And this one. And we got some, I don't know what that is. Onion. And, oh, some green sauce, hypa, and some lime. Woohoo! It looks delicious. Do you want to try?
That meat is really good. So it's cooked like El Pastor, but the spices are great. Wait, don't lick my finger. Come on.
It's good.
Those were really good. They were only about 15 pesos a taco, so Hayley and I both had a nice snack for about $4.
We only got to spend a couple hours in Orizaba, but first impressions are it's a really cool city, and we plan on spending probably a couple days here, and there's quite a few areas that we want to explore. So we're gonna use our trusty iOverlander, find a spot to park, and then we'll continue exploring tomorrow. Ooh, do you wanna get one of those?
Sure.
Ah, gracias. Can we get some of these? Quizá una esta y una esta. Okay?
Come with me.
¿Así?
Y Sarah.
Breakfast. Buenos dias. We have a very exciting day ahead of us. A lot of exploring. We're just making our way to our first stop, and on the way we saw a van that's selling baked goods. We saw them yesterday as well and they looked delicious, so we picked some up. It was 25 pesos for 3 pastries.
We were starting off this morning with the Riverwalk. It's a beautiful recessed area all along the water, and we are super excited to go check it out.
Oh my goodness. Parts of the Riverwalk are lined with animal enclosures. While the animals are cool to see, the enclosures are small and the animals don't belong here. It was pretty upsetting to see in a magic town. This one's yours. We're all done the Riverwalk. We picked up a couple coffees, and there is a beautiful Central Park area that we're heading to next. How is it?
So we are in Alameda Park. There's a longer name, but I can't really pronounce it. And it is at the base of Serra del Borrego, which is a hill overlooking all of Orizaba and the surrounding mountains. And one of the fun activities you can do around here is take a cable car that they call the teleferia from one of the squares up to the top of the mountain. But we can't take Finnley on it. So we are here at the base of this park because it's the start of the hike to go up to the top and see the viewpoint. Okay, up we go. Almost there.
We made it to the top. There are a couple of walking trails around up here with miradors, which are lookouts. There's one in particular that we're heading to because you can get a view of Pico de Orizaba, which is Mexico's highest peak. Okay.
Go, Hayley, go.
Going. Up we go. So I think, not this peak here, but the one behind it is Pico de Orizaba.
In the clouds.
Yeah, so can't see the top, but that's okay. These views are really cool. Back down we go. Hola. Hi, Finnley. Hello, handsome. See, we always come back to Finnley.
We carried our snacks all the way up the mountain.
Our much-earned treats.
This might have chocolate in it or something. Maybe. Want a bite?
Yeah, you have one. We were sitting eating our snacks at the table, and the kindest little kid came up to us and started chatting to us, wanted to pet Finnley, and then he went and bought a pack of Cheetos to give to Jake. They're so kind.
They left and came back with a gift.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. ¿Cómo se llama?
Leo.
Leo, mucho gusto. Leo gave us some chips. Gracias.
De nada.
Such a cute kid. Time to head back down and we'll see you at the bottom.
And we're back. Next, we're gonna slowly head back to the van and get some snacks.
Muchas gracias.
¿Y usted?
There you go, bud. Come on. Hasta luego. We found someone selling sweet gorditas in the park, and it was 1 for 40 or 4 for 50, so we got 4. Is it good after the climb?
My legs hurt.
The first time we ever tried these was in La Paz at Carnival, and they're basically like thick pancakes, but they slice them in half and put filling inside of them, and they're delicious. And they'll heat them up on the grill so they're nice and soft like a pancake. I love them. They're so good.
Lately, everyone's been selling savory gorditas, so we jumped to the chance to buy sweet ones.
We're slowly doing our grocery shop on the way home. We stopped by the artisan market and we also picked up some coffee. Oh, that was loud. The skies have just opened up on us and it is torrential downpour with thunder and lightning.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm shielding the media mod with my hat and I'm filming you. We made it back to the van. We are absolutely soaked. I feel like I went for a swim in the river. And Finnley is just sad. He's so disappointed in us. Hey, bud. So we're gonna dry off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to join the journey and we'll see you in the next one.